Alright guys, I thought I'd just share with you the project that I'm working on here. This is a 95 Hummer H1. Coming actually from a 94 Humvee. And got this as a project. So just wanted to share with you kind of its current condition. So you can see the body is actually really straight. It still is a project. So here's what I've gotten to so far. You can see majority of the interior has been dismantled, removed. Plan is to get the roof repaired because it does have some rust, but overall just wanted to remove all the trim pieces and get everything back to refinishing them, and then we'll reinstall everything. This engine here is going to go. This is the 5.7. So we'll be removing that, and then this one, as you can see, originally had the manual windows, so we'll go back to power, and then yeah, we'll be doing a complete refinish on the interior. So that will include actually going through and sound deadening all the panels, and then putting carpet in and everything else, all brand new. That's that. You can kind of see previous owner did. It's just kind of janky. You can see that they put a window regulator there and somehow wired it together off of the manual one here, and so this one actually turns by this down here. Again, I have no idea how they did it, but they did. So we're gonna fix that. I got all new window regulators to repair that and bring it back to factory. You can see the back is in really good shape as well. Let's see if maybe, just maybe, you might be able to, there we go. See a little bit of the rust right there. Some right there. All that's going to get redone. Again, really straight body, the exception of just needing to fix the roof. Let's just take a look underneath. Everything is pretty straight, which is good. I don't care about the dirt and grime because we will be taking the body off the chassis and then completely redoing the chassis. And then I've already started removing all the headlights, as you can see. So overall, let me see if I can show you the roof. You'll be able to see it over there. But yeah, that's it. Overall, a pretty solid project. And really just looking forward to getting this thing completely rebuilt, turn it into a beast. So stay tuned. I'll continue to provide updates as far as the project, what we're going to be doing for the drivetrain, some of the projects around the interior, and of course as we get into the suspension and steering components. So be sure to stay tuned, subscribe so you can get the updates, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.